Hi guys, today I want to show you guys how to make this crunchy chin chin. My name is Miriam and you're welcome to my channel.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
For this recipe we will need 2 modes of flour. Don't worry about me sieving the flour. I've sieved it already behind the camera. So I'm just adding this flour. We also need 2 full cups of sugar. I'm just adding the sugar now. I'm adding half teaspoon of baking powder. Next, I'm adding 2 sachets of milk flavor. That's the brand I'm using. Mix the dry ingredient thoroughly to combine so there won't be any side left untouched. This process will take 2 to 3 minutes to mix thoroughly. For the butter, I'm using 1 sachet of butter and that's 250 grams. The brand I'm using for this recipe is Kent's. Mix everything together to combine. This recipe is all about mixing, so make sure you are ready for it before trying out this recipe. These crumbs you are seeing me picking is what you should avoid when making chin chin. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Mix the batter thoroughly, let it combine. Now it's time to add water. I'll be adding 2 bottles of this water. It's advisable to add it one after the other. So I'm adding this one now. I'll add the other one later on. I'm adding the second bottle water now. Please note that the bottle water is 50 cl and I just added 2 of it. Once you've added water, start kneading the flour into a dough. This process will take 5 minutes or less. Continue kneading till you have a dough. We're almost there, guys, so continue. We are finally here, guys. We have a dough now, so it's time to cut and roll. We'll cut the dough and roll it. Knead the small piece of the dough and roll, then cut into your preferred shape and sizes. For easy hack, guys, get yourself a pizza cutter. It does the job. You can see that in the video. Repeat the process till you run out of dough. Please note that at this point, I'm already heating up oil for frying. In a hot oil, drop the chin-chin. Allow it to fry till it's golden brown. Stir it up constantly so it doesn't burn. I regulate the oil from time to time. If I see it's too hot, I lower the heat. Then when I see it's getting cold, I increase the heat. Repeat the process till you fried all the chin-chin. So you see, guys, this recipe is not that hard. It's not that difficult. You guys should try it out. Here is our freshly fried crunchy chin-chin. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. I'll be dropping new recipes on this channel every week. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new recipe. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.